It's fucking bonfire night. Hello guys, it's Dylan here and welcome to the channel. And yes, before everyone starts raging at me in the comments, yes, I know, I keep saying I'm coming back even though I'm not, and leaving it for another month. Look, life is busy for me, okay? And I've got a job. Leave me alone. Actually, don't leave me alone. Keep on watching my videos. But yeah, to make it all up to you, I'm gonna do the Xmas vlog thing. And if you don't know what the Xmas vlog thing is, it's basically when you film throughout all 25 days. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that and try to, without fail. But yeah, enough about me chatting shit. Basically, I'm going to go with Rosati just now for the bonfire firework display thing and try and film a video there. I say try and film a video, but you're watching it right now. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, and so I just got off the bus of Rosati just now. I'm in Rosati, and yeah, basically I'm looking forward to bonfire night because it's fucking bonfire night. Alright, and so right now I'm just leaning up against the wall, waiting for the bonfire to light up and the firework display and all that kind of shit. But yeah, there's a lot of wind out here tonight, so I'm going to do a cinematic of the bonfire and the firework display, and the fireworks obviously. Yeah, basically I'm going to enjoy the cinematic, and yeah, here's the cinematic montage now.
You feel like the world is changing, spinning round and rearranging. Just hold on tight, you'll be alright. You feel like the world is spinning, close your eyes and you can't sleep through the night. Fireworks up in the sky.
Right, and so now I'm back in Fraserburgh again. I phoned a taxi so I can get back to Fraserburgh, to be honest. So now I'm walking home just now. I've got my supper here. So it's basically a burger and chips, and I'm basically going to eat it on the way home. But yeah, I know the vlog hasn't really been that much or that eventful. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on the post notification if you haven't already as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.